Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
Hi,
Shweta.
ma'am. First of all, I want to say you a very big thank you to you, ma'am, because today what I am, it's only because of you. Thank you is a small word for me also to express my gratitude towards you. Actually, I am a software employee, ma'am.
Hmm.
I stopped my career in 2015 because of the kids.
Okay.
But I wanted to do something, but I don't know what I should do. Because I need to take care of the kids and I need to be independent by myself. Then I was going through all the things, random things, all the things came towards me, but I did not put that much interest towards anything. But your webinar, which I have seen through the Facebook, I thought just make a try for it. Um, then afterwards I will see. But it was very interesting and it attracted me to join immediately. And today, when you have posted the Hall of Fame form, that time I was counting how many cakes did I sold till now, and to my surprise, I have already sold 25 plus cakes. I never counted that. I was so shocked to myself only. Is this me? I was not confident enough at earlier stage that I will be doing this or not. But this whole thing goes to you, ma'am. Credits goes to you only, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, Shweta, thank you so much. And everybody who literally poured your heart open right now in front of all of us. I just want to share one thing with all of you. I just showed you the direction, but walking on that path and actually implementing the strategies was done by you, right? So you have a lion's share in your own success. Maybe I have just helped you 5%, but again, thank you so much for giving me that honor that I could change your life, and it really makes me very, very happy. So thank you, Shweta. Very, very soon we will be doing our Hall of Fame interview. Sindhu will share the details with you when
Yeah,
we are
sure, ma'am.
doing.
And I will be joining your diamond that
Lovely.
thing also, ma'am, because I want to explore more myself into this baking journey.
Yes, yes, yes. I know, I know. See, everybody is talking about diamond, diamond, diamond. आगे जाके क्या होगा? सुपर बेकर रहेगा ही नहीं. वो पूरा diamond ही बन जाएगा. Lovely. So thank you so much, Shweta. Really appreciate and see from her what she just shared. All of them, I keep posting like that particular application form. I purposely keep posting on your group so that you get reminded कि पिछले 2 महीने में 3 महीने में how many cakes you have made. Because when you are working, you don't keep the count. But when something comes, I'm going to actually talk about it right now. It is again going to boost a lot of your confidence as well. So thank you so much, Shweta. Thank you so much. More power to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.